Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll solve the math calculator section of the May 2021 EST 1, the Egyptian Scholastic Test. Question 1, which of the following is a point of intersection between the line with equation y is equal to 3x plus 9 and the parabola with the equation this? So we'll just equate the two, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 should be 3x plus 9. So 3x and 3x cancels. 2x squared is 8. So x squared is 4. So x is plus or minus 2. Okay, so when x is plus 2, then y is 3 into 2, 6 plus 9, 15. So one point is 2, 15. And when x is negative 2, then y is 9 minus 6, which is 3. So another point is minus 2, 3. So 2, 15, option B. In his SAT math practice test, Hamad solved 80% of the first section correctly, which included 20 questions. In the second section, that included 38 questions. 1250 by 19% of the questions were solved correctly. How many questions were correct? Okay, so 80% of 20 plus 1250 by 19% of 38, right? These are the number of questions that he got correct. So 80 by 100 into 20 plus 1250 by 19 into 100 into 38. So this cancels out with 2 and this cancels out. So we get 16 plus this is 12.5 multiplied by 2, so 25. 25 plus 16, 41. So Hamad got 41 questions correct. From the system of equations above, what is the value of 2x plus 7y? So minus 2x plus 5y is 39 and 3x plus 4y is 45, right? So if let me just, should I add them? So I'll get x plus 9y. Okay, that doesn't help me. And if I subtract them, I get minus 5x plus 2 plus y. So that also doesn't help me. So I'll just find the individual values. Let me get x from the first one. So 2x is 5y minus 39. So x is 5y minus 39 by 2. And this I'll put in the second equation. So 3 times 5y minus 39 by 2 plus 4y is 45. So 3 times 5y minus 39 plus 8y is 90. So 15y minus 7 carry 2, 117 plus 8y is 90. So 15 plus 8, 23y is 117 plus 90, which is 207. So y would be 207 by 23. Right, so let's plug that in the calculator. So that's 9. So y is 9. So let's find x. X would be 5y minus 39 by 2. So 45 minus 39 by 2. So 6 by 2. So x is 3. So 2x plus 7y would be 6 plus 63, which is 69. Option D. Okay. Adam and his fiancée worked as freelance graphic designers all year long during 2019 to save money for their wedding and to buy furniture for their home. Their mixed salary each month in thousands of dollars is shown in the graph above. Okay, this is their total salary in thousands of dollars. During September, Adam worked 15 hours per day. So September, while his fiancée worked 11 hours per day, knowing that each one of them took 4 days off that month, and his fiancée was getting paid $10.7 per hour. How much was Adam getting paid per hour? Okay. So I think they made about $11,000 together. So Adam plus fiancé is $11,000, and Adam worked 15 hours per day and he worked for 26 days. So 15 into 26 hours. 15 into 26 hours. And let's say that his per hour rate is X plus, what about the fiancée? She worked for 11 into 26 and her per hour rate is 10.7, and that total should be 11,000, right? Let's just, I think we can take 26 common. So 15x plus 11 into 10.7 is 11,000 by 26. So let's plug that in. 11,000 by 26. So that's 423. This is 423. So 15x would be 423 minus, what is 10.7 into 11? 10.7 into 11. 117.7. So 423 minus 117.7. So x is 423 minus 117.7, that divided by 15. So it's about a 20.4, option C. In which quarter of the year did they get the smallest income? So you can eliminate, I think. So you can very clearly see that it will be the first quarter, right? Because if you look at the second quarter, third, and the fourth, that's definitely greater. So the first quarter. What is the percentage of May's income out of their total annual income? Okay, so May is 6,000. And what is the total income? 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 4, 25 plus 2, 27, 28, 28 and 11, 39, 39 and 9, 48, 48 and 3, 51, 51 and 6, 57. So 6,000 over 57,000. So let's just plug that in, 6 by 57. So that's 10.5%. So option D. A company lost 20% of their stock the first year, then 26% the second year. In the third year, their stock increased by 30%. Which of the following statements is true? The company's stock increased by this in comparison with the price of the stock before the start of the loss. Okay, so let's say that the price was 100, then it lost 20%, so came to 80, lost another 26%, so came to 80 times 0.74, and then it gained. So that's 80 times 0.74 into 1.3. So the final price after the 3 years was, let's plug this, 80 times 0.74 times 1.3. So 76.96. So it lost 23.04% in comparison with this price of the stock before the start of the loss. What is the sum of the solutions of this? So one value of a is 1 and a square plus 8a plus 15 is 0. So a plus 5 into a plus 3 is 0. So a is -5 and -3. So -8 plus 1, -7. Tanta University is an Egyptian university located in Tanta. Since 1962, the administration was developed and was able to create more than 10 faculties. Statistics show in an old release that 3636 students attend the Faculty of Medicine, and the ratio of female students to male is this. How many male students are attending the faculty? Okay, so female to male is 11 is to 25. So male students would be 25 divided by 11 plus 25 into 3636. So that's 25 divided by 36 into 3636. So 36101. So 25 ones are 25. Carry 2 and 2525. B. What is the x-intercept of the line passing through these 2 points? Okay, so let's find the slope first. Slope is -7 by 1. So slope is -7. So y minus 5 is -7x minus 3. So that's -7x plus 21. So y is -7x plus 26. Now to find the x-intercept, y should be 0. So 0 is -7x plus 26. So 7x is 26. X is 26 by 7. So C. Question 11. If fx is this and gx is this, what is the value of f of g3 minus f2? Okay, so let's first find f of g3. So g of 3 would be 1 by 3 into 9 minus 7. So that's 3 minus 7 minus 4. And then f of -4 will be 2 times 16 plus 28 plus 5 divided by -8. So that's 32 plus 28 plus 5 divided by -8. So -65 by 8. And f of 2 will be 2 times 4 minus 14 plus 5 divided by -2. So that's 8, 8 plus 5, 13 minus 14 minus, so 1 by 2, right? So -65 by 8 minus 1 by 2. So that's minus of 65 by 8 plus 1 by 2. 8, 65 plus 4 minus 69 by 8. So option A. What is the product of the solutions of 2x to the power 4 is 4x squared plus 6. So let's x squared be t. So I get 2t squared minus 4t minus 6 is 0. So t squared minus 2t minus 3 is 0. So t squared minus 3t plus t minus 3 is 0. So t minus 3 times t plus 1 is 0. So t is 3 and -1. So x squared is 3 and -1. So x is plus minus √3 and plus minus I. So the product would be √3 minus √3i and minus I. So that would be 3i I squared, which is -3, right? So D. Petra registered in an online magazine for a monthly fee of $15. However, to read premium articles, she has to pay an extra charge of 0.3 per article. Which of the following represents the total amount she's going to pay per month if she reads X premium articles? So the monthly fee is 15, and for X premium articles, 0.3x. So 15 plus 0.3x. What is the area of the shaded region in the figure below? Okay, so this is a trapezium, right? This figure. So this is 2, and this is 1, 2, this is 4, and the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The height is 5. So trapezium area would be half sum of parallel sides into height. So that's 15. Okay, the other figure is a parallelogram whose base is 3 and whose height is also 3. So the area of the parallelogram would be base into height, 3 into 3, which is 9. So the total sum of the figures is 24. ABCD is a parallelogram such that A, B, C, and D are given. What are the coordinates of E, the center of the parallelogram? Okay, so A is 1, 2. So this is A, 1, 2. B is 4, 4. This is B, 4, 4. C is 6, 1. 6, 1 is here. And D is 3, -1. Okay, 3, -1. So how will this look? I think this will look like this, right? This is how the parallelogram looks. This is C and this is D. A, B, C, D. So the coordinates of the center of the parallelogram will be the point where the diagonals meet, and that will be the midpoint of AC. So E will be the midpoint of AC. So let's 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, which is 3.5, and 2 plus 1, 1.5. Okay, and let's verify with midpoint of BD. 4 plus 3 by 2 is 3.5, and yeah, 3.5 and 1.5 E. What is the inverse function of this? So f of f inverse x should be x. So f inverse x minus 2 divided by 2 times f inverse x should be x. So f inverse x minus 2 is 2x f inverse x. So f inverse x into 1 minus 2x is 2. So f inverse x is 2 by 1 minus 2x. 2 by 1 minus 2x, option A. Okay, gold is one of the most important items in the world. Its price increases and decreases every day. The average closing price for the past 8 years is shown in the table below. What is the mean of the average closing price of the last 5 years according to the table? Last 5 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So let's just plug this into the calculator. 177. I think last 5 years would mean 2020 to this, right? 2016, not 2017 to 2013. Yeah, so let's just find out. 177, 1.9, 177, 1.9 plus 1393, 1393.34 plus 1268.93 plus 1251.92 plus 1158.86. 1158.86. So that divided by 5 is 1368.99. So this is the answer that we get when we consider the last 5 years, right? But let's also find the answer with regard to these 5, because they could think of that as the last 5 years in the table. So yeah, so 1251.92, 1251.92 plus 1158.86, 1158.86, 1266.06 plus 1409.51 plus 1668.86. This divided by 5. 1351 point. Okay, so I'm getting 1351 point. Yeah, so it's C. Yeah. Which of the following statements is true when comparing the annual percentage change from 2018 to 2020? Okay. So that would be 1771.9 minus 1268.93 divided by 1268.93, and that multiplied by 100. So 1771.9 minus 1268.93, that divided by 1268.93. So that's 39.63%. It increased by 39.64%. Okay, supposing that the relation is linear, what is the rate of change between years 2013 and 2019? Okay, so that would be 1393.34 minus 1668.86 divided by 6. Okay, so 1393.34 minus 1668.86, that divided by 6. So minus 45.92A. 20, Raymond went to the bookstore and bought 8 greeting cards to send him to his friends. However, he decided to send cards to only 5 of his friends. In how many ways can this be done? Okay, so the first friend can receive any of the 8 cards. The second friend can receive any of the remaining 7, remaining 6, remaining 5, and remaining 4. Right? So that's how each of the 5 friends will receive. Let's plug that in. 8 into 7, 56 times 120. So 56 times 120 is 6720. D. In 2011, the population of Cairo was 9.12 million. Considering the population were increasing by 1% each year, what could be the population of Cairo in 2022? Okay, so population in 2022 would be 9.12 times 1.01, and how many years? 11 years. So let's just plug that in. Okay, 1.01 to the power 11, and that multiplied by 9.12. So that's 10.1748. Yeah, so this is C. What are the values of A and B if fx is equivalent to gx? Okay, so 2a minus 3x squared plus bx minus 1 is equivalent to 4a plus 3x squared plus 3 minus bx minus 1. Okay, so let's equate the x squared terms. 2a minus 3 is 4a plus 3. So minus 2a is 6. So a is negative 3. And let's equate the b term. So b is 3 minus b. 2b is 3. So b is 3 by 2. So A is -3 and B is 1.5. If 4x plus 14y is -7, okay, what is the value of -x minus 7 by 2y? Okay, so let me first take 4 common. So x plus 7 by 2y is -7. So x plus 7 by 2y is -7 by 4. So minus x minus 7 by 2y will be plus 7 by 4. B. Acceleration is a vector quantity that represents the rate of change of velocity over time. In physics, when the velocity of an object is changing, it means that the object is either accelerating or decelerating. The formula used to find velocity is v is delta r by delta t, and that of acceleration is a is delta v by delta t, where delta r is the displacement vector and delta v is the velocity vector. Delta t is the change in time. Which of the following statements is true regarding this formula? Okay, so delta r increases and delta t decreases, the acceleration will increase. So delta r is increasing and delta t is decreasing. So velocity will increase. If velocity is increases and delta t is decreasing, then acceleration will increase. So this is true. If delta r decreases and delta t increases, then velocity is decreasing. If velocity, then the acceleration will decrease. So this is false. And if delta r decreases and delta t increases, the acceleration will decrease. So it would be 1 and 3. Okay, which point could be the solution for the inequality above? Okay, so let's calculate 2x minus y. So 2 into option A, 2 into 0 minus 3. Option B, 8 plus 8, 16. Option C, 6 minus 4, 2. And option D, 8 minus 12, -4. So -3 is not in the region, 16 is not in the region, 2 is in the region, and -4 is. So it's C. For what value of x is this function undefined? So the function will be undefined when the denominator is 0. And the denominator is 0 when x is 3 and -5 by 2. So that would be 3 and minus 2.5. If a by 2b plus 1 is half, which of the following is correct? So 2a is 2b plus 1. So 2a minus 2b is 1. So a minus b is half. A minus b is half b. A football club published on its website the number of entrance tickets sold in 2018 and 2019. Average number of tickets sold at the entrance and ticket revenue from selling them at the entrance and seasonal ticket. What was the seasonal ticket price for a male person in 2018? Okay, seasonal ticket price for a male person in 2018. Okay, so they sold 1122 and the revenue was this. So price would be 78540 divided by 1122. So that will be 78540 divided by 1122. So that's 70. So it was 70 in 2018. So B and D are out. And this was 2018. And what about 2019? The price would be 8512 divided by 1088. So 8512 divided by 1088. So that's 74. So it cost $70 in 2018 and it increased by $4 the next year. C. Which of the following represents the equation of the line describing the change in the number of seasonal tickets sold for a female person to the revenue obtained from the same category? Number of seasonal tickets, okay, it went from this to 794 and to the revenue obtained. Okay, so let's first find the slope. The slope would be y2 minus y1, 47640 minus 47970 divided by 794 minus 780. So let's plug that in the calculator. 47640 minus 47970 47970. So that's negative 330. And 794 minus, that's 14, right? So that's minus 165 by 7. So the slope is negative. So these two get cancelled. And yeah, it would obviously have to be a positive y-intercept, right? Because the graph will look like this, right? It can't really start from a negative territory because we are looking at seasonal tickets revenue. Yeah, so it should be A. Let's just verify. Now, if I put, let's say I put the first one, I put 780 and this. So 780 into minus 165, 780 into 165 divided by 7. Yeah, that minus, yeah, and this plus 66355, 66355. Yeah, so I get 47,970. So A is correct. What is the average revenue ticket from selling them at the entrance door per game in 2019? Average revenue, total ticket revenue per game. So what is the average in 2019? Okay, so the total revenue divided by the total number of tickets. Okay, so that would be, let's add the total revenue. So total revenue would be 79822, 79822.8 plus 15428, 15428 plus 4420. So that's 99,670, 99,670.8 and divided by 4668, 4668 plus 1102 plus 884. So that's 6654, 6654. So my final answer would be 99670, 99670.8 divided by 6654. So that's 14.98. Yeah, see. Okay, so I think we'll stop here and do the gradient questions in a separate video. So let's grade this. Starting from question 1. Yeah, answer key for calculator. BBDCA, BBDCA, DBCBC, DBCBC, 11 ADBCD, A, D, B, C, D. 16, A, C, D, A, D. A, C, D, A, D. 21, C, B, B, D, C. C, B, B, D, C. And 26, D, B, C, A, C. D, B, C, A, C. Okay, great. So we got all correct. I'm going to upload the solutions to the graded questions in the next video. Hope this was helpful. If it was, hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.